What is going on, guys? Hes here from CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. Today's video, though, is all about socks. And if you guys are new to my channel, I'm a huge fan of ankle and no-show socks. Just something that I've always been wearing. I'd say like probably 30 out of 31 days of the month I'm wearing ankle socks. It's just the way I roll usually. And so for those people that are passionate about no-shows and ankle socks, this video is going to be for you guys. So I want to thank William and Sterling for reaching out to me to do this video because I am really excited about their product. This is a premium no-show sock that has a bunch of cool colors and patterns, but also the best part about this sock is they have this organic silicone that is embedded in the heel that makes it so these will not slip off your feet. There's nothing worse than when you're out and about. Let's say you're going to a friend's house for dinner and then you take off your shoes and then your sock just comes off and then you have to just put them back on. It's just kind of like one of the struggles for no-show and ankle sock life. So. And you guys will see in great detail at the end of this video, I try on a bunch of different sneakers and slide them on and off my feet. You can see that these stay on the entire time. And as I mentioned, they come in a bunch of different colors and styles. And that's actually something else that I think is cool about these. They're not just white. So if you do go to your friend's house and take off your socks, they'll have a cool little pattern on them and stuff. So I like the direction that this company is going. And I think that it's cool that people are focusing their products on something that people like me use on a day-to-day basis. And just some nerd stuff for you guys wondering, it has a Y stitching for the heel for a perfect fit, and it has double layer yarn 30x2 stitching so your toes won't show through the yarn. So it says it has seamless toes, so when you take and you flip these inside out for your toes, you could see that there's no seams here. So that kind of solves a fundamental problem that some people have, which is actually funny because I talked to a coworker recently and she said that she always flips her socks inside out to wear them because then she doesn't have the annoying seams bothering her feet. But as you can see, there is no seams on this sock, so it is definitely a plus. And you can see these socks are definitely stretchy, and the sizing of these, it says, are 7 to 12 men's US. So a couple things that I personally like about the socks, they are true no-show socks, so they're definitely really low cut, and you get that no-show feel. The best part for me though is that silicone heel strip. This thing by far and away is amazing. It doesn't really feel like it's on your foot. It's like you can't feel it, but at the same time, it provides everything that you want with that grip on the back of your heel so you don't have that ankle roll problem. So if you guys are interested in buying some of these socks, go ahead and check the link in the description. Also, if you guys use code HESKICKS, you can save 30% off your entire order. For anything already discounted though, the code will not work. Also, they do have free global shipping when you buy more than 4 pairs. And to sweeten the deal a little bit, for anybody that actually uses code HESKICKS, you will automatically be entered in a lottery to win a 12-pack of socks for free. And they said that they're gonna choose 3 different winners after 30 days.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Hi, Pumpkin. Look at socks. They're fun socks, huh?
Black, purple, white, and a black.
Yeah. What color is this one?
A white.
What color is this one?
Purple.
Kind of blue, but it looks purple. And this one?
Blue.
Yeah. And what about this one?
White.
It's look close to white. It's gray.
Gray.
Yeah, gray. What is this one?
Tickle.
That's mine. Thank you. What color is this one?
A brown.
Brown. That's right. You're such a smart buddy.
See that tickle?
Thank you. Thank you. That's a charger.
See that tickle?
Thank you. That's my remote.
Remote.
I missed you. It's good to see you. I missed you.
Oh.
Look it. Hi.
Hi.
Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, see you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
All right. Some of you guys actually might have already heard about this company though. They had a Kickstarter last year in 2017 and they had over 5,000 backers. So a lot of people were definitely feeling the product and understanding the missing segment that these things fill. If you do order these though, you will get the 2.0 version, which is the improved upon version from the original Kickstarter in 17. But will these actually stay on your feet? Just watch the rest of this video and hopefully you guys will enjoy. I had fun trying on a bunch of different sneakers, giving these a go, and they definitely stayed on my feet really well. So definitely something that I'm looking forward to being able to rock during the summertime. These add a little bit of flair to your sock game, but more importantly to me, they're really comfortable and they're fully functional and they won't slip off your feet. And leave some comments, what do you guys think about this no-show product? Thank you to Benjamin and the team for reaching out to me, and hopefully you guys enjoy the socks.